Tired of nagging lower back pain? If it's slowing you down, this video is made just for you. Watch till the end for simple doctor-proof tips. Lower back pain often comes from long hours sitting, poor posture, or weak core muscles. Understanding why it happens is the first step to relief. Start with this gentle back stretch. Do it slowly and consistently to relieve tension in your lower back. Always sit upright with your back supported. Correct posture prevents strain and keeps your lower back healthy. Applying a heat or cold pack can reduce pain and inflammation. Use it consistently for the best results. Simple daily walking keeps your lower back active. Movement is medicine. Don't stay still all day. Sitting too long puts pressure on your lower back. Stand up, stretch, and reset your body often. Always lift with your legs, not your back. This simple habit protects your spine every day. A supportive mattress and proper sleep position reduce lower back strain overnight. These small habits work only if you stay consistent. Your back improves step by step. Start your day with gentle movement. Morning mobility wakes up your back and prevents stiffness. Avoid sudden twisting or jerking movements. Slow, controlled motion protects your lower back. Supportive footwear improves posture and reduces pressure on your lower back. Stress tightens your muscles. Managing daily stress helps relax your back and reduce pain. Your body gives signals. Listen early, take action, and protect your lower back long term. Staying hydrated is key to your lower back health. Water keeps your spinal disc flexible and prevents stiffness. Sleeping on your side with a pillow between your knees aligns your spine and relieves lower back strain. Gentle daily stretches with a resistance band can strengthen your back muscles and reduce pain over time. Always bend your knees and keep weight close to your body when lifting. This simple habit protects your lower back. Applying warmth or a hot pack to your lower back relaxes muscles and eases discomfort. Do this consistently for best results. Sitting correctly with proper lumbar support prevents long-term lower back strain. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Gentle seated twists help maintain spinal mobility and ease tension. Do this every day for a flexible back. Standing leg lifts with light resistance strengthen your lower back muscles and improve posture over time. Using a foam roller gently relaxes tight muscles and supports lower back recovery. Apply this a few minutes daily. Applying a natural pain relief balm can soothe your lower back. Consistent use with good posture supports long-term relief. Gentle pelvic tilts strengthen your core and support your lower back. Perform slowly every day for long-term relief. Seated lumbar stretches relieve tension and improve flexibility. Do this for a few minutes each day. Standing side leg lifts with a light resistance band helps strengthen lower back and hip muscles for better support. Using a foam roller gently massages tight muscles, improves circulation, and supports lower back recovery. Applying natural balm soothes lower back pain. Consistent use along with good posture supports long-term relief. Want to relieve lower back tension fast? Try the cat-cow stretch. Move your spine gently and regularly for better flexibility. Strengthen your lower back and glutes with bridge pose. Hold steadily and breathe deeply for maximum benefit. Lower back feeling tight? Pull one knee to your chest gently. Repeat daily to release tension and improve mobility. Ease lower back strain with child's pose. Relax, breathe deeply, and let your back muscles unwind naturally. Feeling tight hips can affect your lower back. Try this hip flexor stretch daily to ease tension and improve mobility. To do a seated spinal twist, start with your hands in front. Place one hand on your knee, the other on the chair. Then, gently twist and hold. Ease lower back pressure with a standing forward fold. Relax and breathe deeply, letting your spine release tension. Strengthen your hips and support your lower back with side-lying leg lifts. Consistency brings results. Loosen your lower back with supine knee rotations. Gentle daily practice relieves tension and improves flexibility. Try the standing cat stretch to gently wake up your lower back. Daily practice keeps your spine more mobile and pain-free. Strengthen your glutes and support your lower back with the glute bridge march. Move slowly and feel the engagement. Release tension in your hamstrings to protect your lower back. Use a strap for gentle support and stretch safely. Gently roll your spine side to side to release lower back tension. Practice daily for flexibility and comfort. Loosen your lower back and sides with a standing side stretch. Stretch gently every day for improved flexibility. Release lower back tension with a seated forward fold. Breathe deeply and relax your spine gently. Stretch your hips to relieve pressure on your lower back. Perform this gently every day for comfort and flexibility. Even while seated, you can move your spine with the cat-cow stretch. Gentle daily movement keeps your lower back healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Apply these tips consistently for a healthy lower back. Subscribe for more trusted health advice and take care.